Hello again, welcome back to my channel. I went shopping the other day. I saw this really weird vegetable that I never seen before called Romanesco or Roman cauliflower. It's looked like broccoli, between broccoli and cauliflower. It's never seen before, so just happened to see it in the store, so I buy it, and I'm gonna try cook it and try to taste it, how it tastes. I did some research a little bit. This weird vegetable right here, Romanesco, has been around for a long time, since the 16th century. They discovered in Italy in the 16th century. So, but their growing season is pretty short. Usually a little bit in the summer and the winter time, so we're still in the winter time right here, so we're lucky to have this vegetable. And it had that look, a beautiful pattern, a mathematical pattern called a fractal, which is a repeating pattern, which is the same pattern that repeats itself, called a fractal. So it'll look beautiful pattern. Never seen it, but I'm gonna try it out. It's look like between a broccoli and a cauliflower, so also known as a Roman cauliflower. So, and to cook with this, I have a pound of top sirloin. So I'm just chop it up to small, slices, and some chop up garlics. Some granulated soup base mix, a teaspoon of that, and oyster sauce, and soy sauce. That's all we need. So let's cut up this beautiful vegetable. I like cut up the this Romanesco. Really nice one. First, I'm going to wash it a little bit before I cut it. All right. Well, it's green like a broccoli, but it's shaped like a cauliflower, so. That's definitely look like a cauliflower than a broccoli, but look at the repeated pattern that it has. That's very nice. Got the same pattern repeat itself. Some are just smaller, some are bigger. It definitely look. If you look at this one, you cut one right here. Definitely look like a broccoli. I'm just split in half like that. So it's beautiful, beautiful. Look at like a. Just cut in half. So each. Some of them big, just maybe split into 4. Look at the core. Beautiful. Look at this. All right, it's all cut up, and all right, I like to marinate the beef a little bit of soy sauce, not too much, just a little bit, half a teaspoon or so, not too much. A little bit of cornstarch, just a little bit, Just use your hand, just mix it all up. It's kind of marinated. A little bit of cooking oil, vegetable oil. About a teaspoon of that. Not too much. Yeah, I'm going to cook the beef first. Alright, it's cooking now. Remove the beef. Just put a little more oil, maybe a teaspoon more. Put in the chop, put in the chop up garlic. You don't want to cook it too long. You don't want to burn the garlic. Just cook it for maybe 20 seconds or so. Put in the Romanesco. Maybe a teaspoon of the soy sauce. A little bit of oyster sauce, not too much. In the granulated chicken soup base for flavor. Just put a little bit of ground pepper. And just toss the beef back in. So just cook it down for a few minutes and it should be done. Alright, I think it's cooked. Just plate up. Well, this is the final product. Stir fry Romanesco broccoli with beef. And let's give it a taste. See how it tastes. So it tastes exactly like cauliflower. Yeah. Very good. Thank you for watching. I hope you give this recipe a try. Romanesco, stir-fried Romanesco with beef. And like, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.